Easily set up VersaBoost Pro right from the display or straight from your phone. I'm Jeremiah Brody, and I'll be walking you through how to set up your constant pressure boosting system from your phone using the FE Connect mobile app. The FE Connect mobile app is a gateway for enhancing setup, troubleshooting, wireless fault notifications, and more. To set up the VersaBoost Pro with FE Connect, on the display screen, select the correct language and press Enter. Press Enter to confirm the warning message. For the guide method, select Setup with FE Connect mobile app. Scan the QR code and install the FE Connect app. Use the app to search for the device using Bluetooth. Follow the instructions in the app and set up the unit. Double-check all connections and adjust the pressure tank pre-charge as required. Press Enter and return to the home screen. Press Start/Stop to begin boosting. The system is now ready to provide high and consistent water pressure. Head to littlegiant.com for more information, or Franklin Tech for more training. Thanks for tuning in.